650 for Merrick, a building fire, the Greek church.
The fire took place on Friday, August 9th, 2013, after the evening service. There was a tragic accident, probably a candle that fell maybe behind one of the pieces of furniture. Everything was destroyed beyond repair in the back of the church. In the front of the church, the art, the wood carvings, it was devastation in every respect.
Originally, the scope of work was to renovate the church due to the fire, verify that the structure was in place, and in order for us to do that, we had to use all our scanning equipment to be able to document the entire building due to the intricate details of the church. Some of the biggest challenges we had is the different shapes of the building, the ceilings, the details on the dome. It would have been extremely difficult for us to climb with a tape and try to get actual and accurate dimensions to be able to do our construction documents.
So one of the things they wanted to do was redo that area. And they wanted to change the lighting fixture and redo the lighting and really accent the dome, accent the windows that were in the dome so they could be seen in the neighborhood at night and lit up. So the scan data that we had enabled us to really measure and figure and draw everything in that dome area so that we could properly figure out lighting angles.
The most difficult thing was to include a tower for the elevator.
Where the elevator comes in and was attached, there was actually 4 different roof lines that came and converged at that quarter. And there was a window in there, there was grade and elevation, so the scanning really helped us document everything and know where all the parts and pieces were. After we've done the field work with the scans, we take the little SD card out of the scanner, we put it into the computer and download it. We open it up in a program called Scene, which is program made by FARO that's used to process the scan data. Within Scene, you can pull up all the various scans you've done. You can process the data to clean it up, tighten it up, and you can actually physically align then each scan with the next to create a total 3D data set. And then from Scene, you can export either the full data set out, or you can export pieces of individual scans or one individual scan, depending on what your needs are. Well, the laser scanning probably saved us as a firm at least a week to 2 weeks worth of field work effort.
It saves us a lot of time, and it gives us the opportunity to have a more accurate construction drawings. It was an integral part of the final outcome of the project.
I have to tell you that this was the most exciting part of my experience with the rebuilding, because the scanning process allowed us to view the church from every perspective. It's a phenomenal technical advantage.